This is Brandy, right?
Beautiful.
And she's having a play date.
Yeah, it's a big play date.
So they're still getting to know each other. So, but she's a beautiful, beautiful Rossi. She needs a bath, and she's like losing hair, but she's truly amazing.
She's hot though.
Oh, it is hot. Today is hot.
Anyway, okay, welcome back. So you've met the new friend. Yeah.
Play date for Marshmallow. So she wants to eat. I'm kidding.
So yeah. So this weekend we're going to just do a nice cleanup. No, you come here. We're gonna do a nice cleanup. Show other parts of the yards you haven't seen before. Something unique. Yard property you haven't seen before.
I think you got the buttons.
Yeah, I probably have the button on the screen, but it's fine. Anyways, so let's get this done.
Come, Brandy.
I wanted to show you guys the aerial footage of the property and the layout. So from now on, we're going to divide the property up into 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we say section 1, and you guys will know what we're talking about. So you might be thinking, why Google Maps? Why not a drone? Well, I don't have a drone, and secondly, I'm next to a military or Air Force base. It's kind of illegal. So, yeah, look at what we got.
Hi guys, just a quick break in the video. Last week there was 2 people commenting on the fence. I don't think we represented the fence properly, so that's actually weird. No, you never see me so formal, I guess. Yeah, just came back from fire marshal training. I'm not a fireman, just by the way. Yeah, but anyway, so one of the things that we stressed, and what I'm meaning by underrepresented, is so we showed you the fence and my lovely wife climbing over, and which, by the way, we had to do like 5 times. She got stuck every time, but anyway, this fence is actually supported by a solid foundation. Foundation is about 20 centimeters over, 20 centimeters down, and it's a proper concrete foundation. So the fence is in the foundation, the supporting pole is in the foundation. And I know one of the comments mentioned about chickens. Well, you know what, if you've not had chickens before, chickens will get over this like nothing. They say they can't fly now, but boy can they get over a tall fence, that's for sure. And they can dig. So I was thinking, what about bunnies? But why would you spend all this time and effort, and it's so nicely done, on bunnies? So any suggestions? I don't know. But what I can tell you, we do need to take this out. We'll do this probably first quarter, let's say first half of next year. At this point in time, it's an eyesore, but not a problem. It's a bit of a difference. So for now, this is probably going to stay here. And but when it comes to taking it out, oh, wow, I think that will probably be one of the big challenges in this property. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys. Let's carry on with the video. Okay, so you guys saw the back left, the property. This would be the back right. Your right, that right of the property. I'll put like a square thing up and show you. So let's call this section 2, right? Well, let's clean it up.
Yes.
Oh yeah, and so I don't know if you can see the bushes there at the back.
Cheers.
Right? So the bushes are big, they're about 200 square meters. Okay, and that's this Christmas's project. Took 3 weeks leave to clear this out. It's gonna be a job and a half.
That's gonna look amazing.
It's gonna be amazing, that's for sure. So remember to subscribe if you guys want to check it out, get the
Marshy's in the
notifications.
house.
And the Marshies are freaking out because the Rottweiler, it's there. So yeah, the small doggy wants to play with the big doggy. Anyway, let's get this done.
I need it. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less, searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25. Rising like a honeybee. Yeah, you like that sweet, 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 sweet. When you get up under me, ride it like the beat, 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 beat. Yeah, you like that sweet, 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 sweet.
Now we're moving to section 3 and some bushes to cut down. It's like this weird climate that just covers the trees. Don't know what it is. And I've even bought some stuff to spray on and kill it off, but I don't know, it's like bulletproof. The poison doesn't want to touch it. So anyway, so we might just cut a couple of branches off there and we carry it on.
Yeah, you like that. Rising like a honeybee. Yeah, you like that sweet, 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 sweet. When you get up.
Okay, now we've reached section 4. That's basically the front yard, nothing special. So I wanted to show you guys this picture on the top right hand side is from video 7, I think it is. And 5 months ago we had a wall running through the front yard. We had a massive olive tree. And look at it now. Hey, we're getting there, man, we're getting there. The time lapse you guys just watched was 20 seconds and 22 per second, so whatever you call it. I don't know. Put me in the comments, correct me. Anyway, so this is the actual speed. We forgot to start the time lapse on the other camera, so I figured, you know what, let me just show you guys a bit. So to give you an idea, if you had to watch this whole clip, this thing would take 19.5 minutes. It's forever. It's amazing how nice this time lapse is. But I'm not gonna put you guys through this. We've already been through it. So let's carry on.
With every battle, if I'm right, guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we can find a way, we can find a way, find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way, find another place where we can just escape. We could find
Okay guys, when are we gonna call it?
Yes.
Forgot to do one or two things, but I'll just put it in time lapse if it isn't in already.
Yeah.
And yeah, so next weekend we actually need to finish up. So we've done about 99% of the painting.
Yes. That's the bottom part between two.
Yeah, and a few other touch-ups.
Yeah.
So I think next weekend will be the final
Then we're done.
time.
Yeah.
Working on the fence. I still need to do the electric fence, but
For now, we will have a fence up. Yeah. We just need to mix it up, put it on, then we're good.
so you guys will do. Anyway, boys,
Okay.
thank you for joining us.
I can subscribe.
And next week.
Yep. Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.